Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app and in today's video I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok with a friend. First, open TikTok and tap on the plus button at the bottom. Now, swipe to the live option. If you don't see the live option, don't worry. It usually means your account is not eligible yet. To go live on TikTok, you generally need at least 1000 followers and you must meet TikTok's age and community requirements. Now, if you have live option, open it. Before starting, look for the invite or multi-guest option. From here, you can invite your friend to join your live stream. Once they accept, both of you will appear on the screen together during the live session. You can talk, interact, or create content together in real time. And that's it. That's how you can go live on TikTok with a friend. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.